Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in the Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour, 2 hour result of Vechain crypto and a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, please hit the subscribe button and complete my 3k subscriber. My wish to complete 3k subscribers. So kindly please help me to cross 3k subscriber. Now let's see what changes occur in the Vechain crypto and the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that's the live price changes occur in the Vechain in the last 1 hour. First of all, we see the chart analysis of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, the Vechain crypto chart tells us that the Vechain crypto jumping upward, as you can see here. So in the last hour, Vechain crypto jumping upward. So it's absolutely good period. It's absolutely good time to buy a Vechain crypto. If you want to buy a Vechain crypto and make money with the cryptocurrency, so it's a big opportunity to buy a Vechain crypto and make a good amount of money. As you can see here, the changes of the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour is also a positive 0.81% changes occur in the Vechain crypto in the last hour, and the high price of Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour is $0.091214 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour live price changes occur in the Vechain crypto you are watching now. Now let's see what changes occur in the Vechain in the last 2 hour. It is the live price prediction, live price changes occur in the last 2 hour in the Vechain crypto you are watching now. So first of all, we look the chart analysis of Vechain crypto in the previous last 2 hour. So it's tell us that the Vechain crypto having jumping time at this last 2 hour period. That is the live price prediction, live price changes of the last 2 hour of the Vechain crypto. If we see the chart, if we see the changes of Vechain crypto in the previous last 2 hour is also positive 2.05% change occurred in the Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour. The high price of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour is $0.091214 is the high price of the Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour. Hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.